Hello there, this is Cindy at cindybdesigns.com. Thank you for joining me today. These are the stockings that we will be making from the Filled with Joy November 2024 paper pumpkin kit. And all the basically all these stockings are the same. There's the example on the our IKEA instructions, and it looks like you can get 8 stockings, but maybe like 6 of different ones each. I didn't do that sample there. I just kind of put my own together because in the stamp set there are 6 sentiments and 6 images, and I ended up using 10 out of 12 of them just to give you a good idea, exactly what you can do, how you can mix and match and everything like that. And again, those are our directions. I really love the vintage retro vibey feel of this along with the colors, and they're fantastic, by the way. I never would have thought to put these together. You have 30 Flamingo, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Shaded Spruce, and Very Vanilla. Now the tags, they're very vanilla, and not the tags, but the stockings themselves. And I went ahead and put our ornament toppers on with liquid adhesive there just to save a little bit of time. And then I'll add the Stampin' Dimensionals to the back after we stamp the ornaments, because this is just basic stamping and adhering, and you get the cutest little um, stockings. They're great. I mean, you can like put anything in there. Maybe a small lotion bottle. It's like more travel size things, and hand sanitizers. Anything like that. So for all the ornaments, you get 4. You get 3 ornaments like in 4 different designs. So I went ahead and put the toppers on first, which I shouldn't have. I should have stamped. So I'm going to be doing that for our ornaments there. And instead of using the cube, I just put that in a drawer. And I went ahead and pulled in my full-size Poppy Parade pad. And I'm just stamping on top of the ornaments there. I wanted to cover up the topper so I wouldn't, accidentally stamp on that. And so what I'm going to do for this video, because it is really short, I'm going to be showing you just 2 of the stockings that I make, and then the other 2, they're pretty much the exact same thing, and I'll bring them in later on. And for Saturday, I will be doing our alternatives, and I think I have some really good ones to show you. As usual, I'm going to try not to go too far out of the kit, but with this one, I have to a little bit. Now, another good idea would be to take our note cards and make coordinating note cards to maybe pop in the stocking. They're going to be a little bit too big, but you could also pin it to a stocking with those safety pins that come in there. Getting everything cleaned up like that. So that's an idea. We do have an ornament stamp set in the mini catalog that I did not get. So again, options, options, options. Don't forget the Mary tags and more dies that coordinate with October, November, and December, because that will allow you for more tags and everything like that. So now I am pulling in our sentiments, and I'm just going to lay them down on a Flirty Flamingo tag along with a Pool Party tag with a couple different, we have 2 star images there, and I'm going to line that up and get that down with Poppy Parade ink, and I'll be doing the same thing with our next tag that we'll be doing as well. Now, I think these little stockings are just the cutest things ever. Again, lots of creative possibilities and opportunities. It would make a great, well, stocking stuffer. You can put a gift card in there, candy, whatever you want to pop in there. It'd be a cute jewelry holder. A box would fit into that. So when you're adhering this, the top of the ornament hanger there, you want to adhere that over the hole in the tag, and then just pop one of those safety pins in there, and pin it through that tag, and you are done. And that is how easy these are to make. And like I said, just the cutest things ever. And you can fill up all that blank white area in the stocking with additional stamps, maybe some designer series paper, that larger ornament stamp, whatever you want to do. So now I'm just laying down the ink again and repeating the process that I did from our first stocking and thinking of different designs or cards or whatever I can make. Right now I have 8 ornaments left over. That's enough for a scrapbook page too. I might do one, but I don't think I have enough to actually pull that off without doing a card. Like I could maybe do a double spread, kind of wing that, but we'll see basically where all this goes. And remember on Saturday, enter into my drawing for our alternative cards. Under that video, just leave a comment. You have to be in the US, and at the end of November, December 1st, I'll draw a name and then get that shipped off to you. Last month, Denise won it, and so you'll have your own free kit here. And if you subscribe right now, I'm pretty sure you can pick up the refill of this kit, but you won't have a stamp set, which is why you want to, leave a comment to win your own stamp set of that. So that is what our 2 stockings that we've made today look like. I did a total of 4 of them, and they are going to be coming up now. And as I said earlier, I did not do them exactly like the instructions said because I wanted to bring more stamps in and images and whatever I could just to get half those stockings done with a really good variety. So I hope that you enjoyed today's quick process. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share, and then come back on Saturday for our alternative cards, and have a great week.